Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to make something really easy. Just takes seconds to make and it's very delicious. It's an Oreo milkshake. So I have here in a bag 12 Oreo cookies and I'm going to mash it up just with a rolling pin, or you can chop it up, but it's easier this way. Now in my Blendtec processor, I'm going to pour in 1.5 cups of milk, any kind of milk, 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, yummy already, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. You can get this syrup any place in the grocery department in the baking section, and it's just plain chocolate syrup. Any brand is fine. Okay, now I'm going to grind it up. Okay, and then the last thing is put in the cookies. See, this only takes minutes, and this will be a fun thing for kids to help you with. If you have little ones or you have visiting cousins or nieces and nephews, they'd love to do this, and it's so delicious. So now we cover it and put it on high speed, and it's done. Oh, now I have a pretty glass here. Yummy, sweet. You can taste the ice cream, the Oreo cookies. You've got to try this and people will love it. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, and see you on the next video. Aloha.